Hey there, fellow diabetics. Are you looking for some mouth-watering weight loss recipes that won't spike your blood sugar? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be sharing some delicious and healthy recipes specifically designed for diabetics who want to shed those extra pounds. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to show your support. Let's get started. When it comes to managing diabetes and losing weight, it's all about making smart choices and finding the perfect balance. Our first recipe is a fantastic breakfast option that will keep you energized throughout the day, a scrumptious spinach and mushroom omelet. To make this omelet, you'll need some fresh spinach, sliced mushrooms, eggs, and a sprinkle of low-fat cheese. The combination of protein and fiber-rich vegetables will help regulate your blood sugar levels and keep you full for longer. Plus, it's super easy to make. Now, let's move on to a refreshing lunch option that's bursting with flavors: a colorful quinoa and vegetable salad. This salad is packed with essential nutrients, such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The high fiber content of quinoa helps slow down digestion, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. With a variety of colorful veggies and a tangy dressing, this salad is a perfect addition to your weight loss journey. For dinner, we have a comforting and filling option that won't derail your weight loss goals: a hearty lentil soup. Lentils are an excellent source of protein and fiber, making them an ideal choice for diabetics. This soup is not only delicious, but also incredibly satisfying. The combination of spices adds depth of flavor without adding unnecessary calories or sugar. It's a perfect choice for those chilly evenings. And of course, we can't forget about dessert. We have a guilt-free option that will satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health goals: Apple Cinnamon Muffins. These muffins are made with whole wheat flour, fresh apples, and a hint of cinnamon. They're low in added sugars and high in fiber, ensuring a slower release of glucose into your bloodstream. You can enjoy one of these as a tasty treat without worrying about your blood sugar levels. And there you have it: 4 delicious and healthy recipes that are perfect for weight loss and diabetes management. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet and making informed choices are key to your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more diabetes-friendly recipes and tips. Thanks for watching.